My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right next to me right now. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so not gonna make this super quick. Chewy all on my bed. Not gonna make this quick, but I wanna kinda get through this because it is 8:16 a.m. I'm just now waking up. I took class at the school and I do have to go to work. But I got this package in the mail last night and it was too late for me to do a review. I mean, I got it yesterday, but I was at work when it came here. By the time I got off my first job, I had to drop class to go off, then I had to go to my second job. And then I didn't get home from that until like 11 o'clock at night. I definitely wasn't doing a review for that at 11 o'clock at night. And I was gonna do this when I got off of work today, but I said, you know what, let me just do this real quick so I don't, because I had to go to my second job again today, but working them back to back, so I wasn't really gonna have time for that. So I was like, let me just do this real quick, so when I get home, I can just relax for a little bit. That tree right here, tree. Come on, get in the camera. All right, I didn't want you to attack me. Anyway, all right, so let's get this little review. I don't think this will be considered early review. I mean, it is technically, it is, because the initial drop for this is not until next month. They moved the date. I think it was the 22nd or 25th. Now they moved it to the 4th. I think I'll give y'all the information in a second. Y'all should already know what this is. I got this off of the shock drop that happened a couple days ago. Boom. All right. So, funny thing about this, I'll tell you in a second. So, you see the Jumpman right there on the top? See the all black lid, flight right there. Cement print bottom. Nothing special. You know what it is. So it reads Air Jordan 4 Retro Off-White Military Blue is the color. Suggested retail price, I think, was $210. I could be wrong by that. Size 9. So crazy thing about that size 9 is when the shock drop happened, I went for the 8.5. I was waiting for like 22 minutes. It was a long period. It was a long period of time. And then it finally said I didn't get it. But then I tried for the 9 and I got it. So I was like, and I can, in 4s, I can wear 9. So this is a personal pair. No reseller here. Boom. All right. Get to the shoe. Boom. Cement paper. Ah, yes, sir. So without further ado, usually I'm at my desk with somebody holding the box, so I'm just gonna put it. I guess. Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. So without further ado, we got the Air Jordan. So it's two names of this. The OG name is the Military Blue. I think the new name is the Industry Blue. We just gonna go with Military Blue. So the Air Jordan 4, boom, Military Blue. Boom. All right, so Air Jordan 4 Military Blue was definitely waiting for this shoe. I am a fan of the shoe. I had the one that came out, I think the last time it came out was like 2016. Don't quote me on that, but I am gonna give you some information like I always do. This is off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. It'll be up next to me right now. Is up, so you can read along with me. Did I say shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit? Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. All right, so let's get this ad out the way. Okay, all right, so the Air Jordan 4 Military Blue holds a significant place in history of Michael Jordan's 4th signature shoe. Originally launched in 1989, this iconic sneaker is set to make a highly anticipated comeback in 2024, marking the 35th anniversary of its initial release. The 1989 debut witnessed the Air Jordan 4 Military Blue as one of the original 4 colorways, in contrast to the 2012. So I said 2016, I meant 2012. 2012 edition. The upcoming 2024 retro release will faithfully replicate the originals, featuring the covered at night Air branding for an authentic 89 look. The Air Jordan 4 showcase a timeless color scheme consisting of off-white, military blue, and natural gray. Or is it neutral? I'm sorry, neutral gray, excuse me. Its uppers crafted from off-white leather with overlays in neutral gray adorning the toe area. The design is elevated by the military blue accents on the eyelets, midsoles, heel tabs, and Jumpman logo on the tongues, adding to the aesthetics. The heel bear, Nike Air branded in white, while a white, blue, and gray rubber outsole completes the overall aesthetics. The Air Jordan 4 Military Blue will be available in various styles to cater to different shoe enthusiasts. And set release date now is May the 4th, 2024, and 215. Whoa, 215. I thought it was 210, but it's 215. Keep on adding. Summary: the Air Jordan 4 Military Blue is not just a shoe; it's a piece of history that's making a stylish return. All right, so it needs some images. Boom, so y'all can see that on the screen right now as I go. Sorry about that little ad at the bottom. Boom. All right, that's enough. That's enough. I'm gonna take that out. So this has another name though. I think it's Industry. If I'm not mistaken, it's the Industry Blue. It's another name. There it is, Industry Blue. Oh, you can't see that, but yeah, Air Jordan 4 Military Blue, aka the Industry Blue. Yeah. So that's what it is. Take a screenshot of that. All right, so got the Nike Air hang tag right there, that OG feel to it, and the orange hang tag, and it stays true to the original. Got the all white leather upper, got the military blue eyelids right there with the white laces. Got the flights on the tongue with the blue Jumpman right there. Got that military blue back midsole. Nike Air on the back, which I like. I might do this as a thumbnail right here. Can we get that? Can we get? I might. Well, no. Anyway, got the gray midsole going on the toe cap too. Boom, like that. Bottom pods got the blue Nike right there on the bottom. Like I said, we already got the Nike on the back already told that with the 4 tab. Very dope shoe. I mean, I was looking forward to this. Oh, he got his toy. Oh Lord, it's almost time to wrap this video up. I was looking forward to this shoe. I really like this shoe. I might double up. I don't know. Now that I got it in my hand, I'm like, I heard the blue might bleed a little bit, but I might double up. I don't know. I wanted to hit this on sneakers just to have it so I could do the early review. If you want to call this an early review, I don't even think I'm going to put early review in the title because I know a lot of people doing this. And is it really an early review if it's a stock drop? I know it's dropping earlier than the initial release, but is that really an early review? I don't know. I might put early review. I don't know. Anyway, gray guts right there. As you see right there, that inner liner right there. So dope shoe. I like it. Still don't know if I'm gonna make up my mind about double up or not, but I might, because I might just get my normal 8.5 size. Sometimes I like to get my 9 and 8.5 or whatever like that. So he got his toy. Yeah, we gotta wrap this up. Y'all hear the toy? Chewy. Anyway, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Air Jordan 4 Industry Blue, or the Military Blue, aka the Industry Blue. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks, you can't see it, and the whole Tune Squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.